na bua police for no no ma wo muhia ai be yakun police bi na nipa wo mo gade yai ana se wo mo hweye so ana wo mo boye ho ban na yeku no na wo a wo ye ordinary person say me see no na wo dia na kire say we save sumahu inti aban hwe na bua police for no no ma wo muhia.
I just got home not too long ago, and I'm hearing about KAAKA. Muhammad, they call him KAAKA, who died today because he was beat up by a mob. He was beaten up because he chose to talk about the things that's been going on in Israel. And see, Ghana, Hana, are we safe? Are we safe at all? We can't talk about the things that's going on in the country because if we talk about it,
I'm preparing something to share with the world.
we're gonna get yabebuyen. If we talk about it, yabebuyen. I'm trying to gather all my strength just to come on this live to discuss what's happened to KAAKA. The last thing he posted on his Facebook was about Ghana turning into a dictatorship country and how I was arrested, and this man was thinking about me. He was thinking about fix the country. He's thinking about Ghana, Niabono, Ekono. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to feel. My heart, I don't want to cry. I'm not the type of person that cries on social media. Like me, who the minka. Oh, like, is this how we are as Ghanaians? Is this how we are as Ghanaians? Because we're asking for the country to be fixed, you kill us. Like, I don't even know what to do right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. I'm just so lost. I know I'm not doing the wrong thing. I know I'm not doing the wrong thing. I know that I'm not doing the wrong thing. I don't even know what to say, honestly. How can you beat my booby to the point so we're woo? Because all cat and semi and no my air costu I am fata air and koye. My booby a kuno, obi kuno, obi ba, obi papa. What, like, so, and see, God, guys, I'm growing weak. I feel like I'm growing weak. I don't even know. I can't even think. I can't even work. It's like I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Every time I go anywhere now, I'm watching my back. I'm afraid. Look what happened to KAAKA. Charlie, fix the country, no. We're not asking for nothing that we don't deserve. We're not asking for nothing that we don't deserve as people. as citizens of this country. We're not asking for nothing that we don't deserve. Is it too much to ask for to live in a clean society? Is it too much to ask for to live in a society that works, the system that works? Oko kap asamache police for kampa police for wow. Direction. Ready chairman quine. Like you'll be fighting for people and they'll be fighting you for fighting for them. I don't even know what to do anymore. I honestly don't know what to do anymore. Like, I feel so bad. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. I feel so bad because this man has died. This man has been murdered. And the police won't do nothing about it. The police will not do nothing about it. The police won't do nothing about it. You guys. I'm who say, I do any politics. Our future is the future for me, for my children, for my sisters. It's Charlie a day. Like, you know what? I don't even know what to say. Rest in peace to KAAKA. Rest in peace to Muhammad. I wish I knew him. How many more people are gonna die? How many more people are gonna die? How many more people are going to die? Should I fear for my life now? One day somebody's gonna attack me. Should I fear for my life now? Makumbi, because all and no cray. I say, come ha yechni no cray. People are tired and we're speaking out against it and you attack him and you kill him. I mean, like, me who their main can't. Me who their main can't. Yeah. Yeah. You guys, we need to fight for ourselves. Chale, Ghana ye fuel. Ghana is our home. If we don't have Ghana, we have nothing. If we lose Ghana, we have nothing. Ghana is supposed to be a safe country. What is going on? Are we turning into a dictatorship? And I don't know what to say. I feel like I just came on this live just to let you guys know to be careful. It would kill me to hear that one of you guys have died or something has happened to you. So you guys just be careful, okay? Because it looks like these people, they're ruthless and they don't care. In Simpacho, when you're careful, why? I've been crying all night. I've been asking God, am I doing the right thing? But say like them yeah na boni ana. The yeah na boni ana. Sorry. You guys fight, okay? Fight for what you believe in. You deserve better. You guys don't deserve to live in poverty. You guys don't deserve to live the lives you're living. Our leaders are living a lavish life and we're living in poverty. Fight for what you believe in. Stop voting. Take the power from them. Take the power back from them. I'm like, my words are all over the place because my spirit is really down. So I just want you guys to just keep fighting, okay? Keep fighting for me. Keep fighting for yourself. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Yeah, me actually. I feel like it's my fault. Like, we shouldn't have even started this because you guys, I'll come back on live a different time. I don't have the strength to even talk. I don't even have the strength to do anything right now. So those who support Fix the Country campaign, keep supporting it, keep fighting. I'm afraid to say, to speak up, to keep speaking up, because I'm afraid that you guys will be attacked. But munam together, okay? Never be alone. I love you guys. I love you guys who support this campaign. I love you guys who support the truth. I love you guys. Have a good night. I'll come back on live a different time.